Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm really pleased to meet you. My name's Chrissy. Today I'm going to be doing just a simple green makeup that anybody can use any day. I'm using a Revolution Reloaded palette in Iconic Division, so if you'd like to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. Revolution have just bought a new black Onyx primer out. It's blurring and mattifying and it's black gel. Let's have a little go, see what it looks like. Perhaps I shouldn't have used this much. We're still a bit dark. Oh my gosh. I've just primed my eyes using the Focus and Fix eye primer from Revolution. I'm going to be using a look today with the Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette. It's been out quite a while now, but I wanted to create a green look today. I always seem to do pinks and browns and such like that, so I thought I'd use green today, just for a change. I'm going to add this middle peachy colour gently with sweeping motions straight across my crease and upper eye. I'm going to take this sagey colour and green at the top there, and I'm just going to add that underneath what we've just put, right in the crease. And we'll slowly darken the eyes up. Just build the colour up slowly until you've got the desired amount on. There's so many of these Revolution Reloaded palettes as well. I think there's around 12 or 14 now. But for £5 you get 15 shades, and they're really good. They're really good quality and really good value. You can't ask for no more than that. Next I'm going to deepen it up a little bit more, so I'm going to add this green that's at the bottom. I've just cleaned a bit of the fallout up on the bottoms of my eyes, so I've changed. I think I'm going to go in with this mustardy colour because the peach isn't showing up on the top, so I'm actually just going to apply that on the top just to give it a bit more colour. I'm going to add this gold shimmer on my lid there. So I'm just adding that to my lid just to give it a little something. And then I'm just going to go in with the previous colours just to blend the colours together. Black Cat liquid eyeliner. It's like a felt tip to draw my eyeliner on. And if you had a simple black eyeliner, I usually add upper and lower. My mascara is the mascara by Revolution, and I'm just going to add that to my top lashes. So it's a nice big chunky brush on this, so you don't need a lot. So I'll just put it to the base and I'll wiggle up and lift at the same time. For foundation, again I use the Revolution Conceal and Define. This is in F7. Really don't need a lot of this because the coverage, it's really good. All up into the hairline, so you haven't got any line. This is a Real Techniques base brush. I'm going to use the Conceal and Define concealer. This one is in C5. Just going to dab a small amount underneath the eyes. I'm going to use the NYX HD Studio setting powder just under my eyes as well, just to set that. I'm going to use a Real Techniques setting brush. So, just underneath the eye. So I'm just going to tap it all in over my foundation just to set it. So it is very, very fine powder. With the brushes that we used before for the eyeshadow, I'm just going to run it under my eyes just to add a little bit of colour. And just put it underneath. For contouring, I'm going to be using this Imagination palette. It's got contour shades in, highlighting shades, and you've also got some banana powder and setting powder as well. It's a fantastic palette. So I'm just gonna tap into this one here, which is called Literally. It's actually called Literally, and I'm going to be using a contour brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna pop a little bit just on the hollows of your cheeks, just to give yourself a little bit of shading. Also going to put it under my chin just to darken that area up as well, just to sharpen your jawline. I'm going to add in the shade next to it as well. That one's called Warrior. And then I'm going to use a little blush, which I'm going to use the Real Techniques blush brush, a Vivid Baked blush. Just dab that on the apples of your cheeks. And just blend it through. And then we're going to add a little bit of highlighter. So we're going to go back into Imagination's palette, and we're going to take this one, which is called Angel Face. It's very pretty. With a little pencil brush, I'm going to add a little bit of Angel Face to your brow bone. You only need the tiniest little bit because it is so pigmented. Like that. Also, I'm just going to add a little bit of the same into my inner corners. Before I put my lipstick on, I'm going to use this fixing spray, so I'm going to be using the Revolution Illuminating Fixing Spray. So if you hold it arm's length away and just spray. So for lip liner, I'm going to be using Revolution's Renaissance Collection lip liner. This one is in the colour Chauffeur. For lip colour today, I'm going to be using this again by Revolution. It's from the chocolate collection. It's actually from the chocolate vault I had. It's called Proline or Proline, whichever way you want to pronounce it. It smells beautiful. And this is my finished look for today, just a neutral everyday makeup. I hope you've enjoyed watching my video, and if you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe to my channel. That would be fantastic. Come in and join the family. Thanks so much for watching. See you again soon. Love ya. Bye.